Hello and welcome back. This is video 4, completing the reassembly of the 1985 Chevy Corvette 5.7 liter engine. And yes, there is video footage of it running, and running very well. It was a long day today and yesterday getting this together, and we're good to go. And if you like the video, smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos when we post them, please click on the notification icon. And thank you again. Have a good day. Alright, so we're getting on the fuel injector rails. We have the fuel injectors in. I didn't replace them right now because I'm still waiting for them to come in. I have to move forward with this. I have the new O-rings to replace these with. These O-rings on the fuel lines with. And there we go. So we'll get those replaced and go from there as soon as we get this in. And this is a T40 Torx. We do have to torque them down to 15 to 22 on that. So it says to torque these down to 15 to 22 foot-pounds. I'm going to torque them down to right around 20. Alright, and then we have the ones in the front. Pressure regulator. This goes to the side of the plenum. That gets connected to underneath the plenum to the sensor there. So let's get these fuel lines tied in. That's in. That's ready. Those are those. So I am ready to start putting on the Plenum Runners. So let's see what size these are. Yes, all right. So this one you actually have to thread through. over there. We have to install the cold start injector and have that ready for install. I've already checked the rubber gaskets and they're brand new. The cold start injector plugs into the fuel rail right back there. Had to go get these. Alright, where are we now? So we have these installed and we're getting ready to mount the plenum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the wires run on each side. So, we get this side in, let's get the other side in. Oh, it says who? You? Come through here. Like so. And these come up like that. Okay. That's on and in. Let's get those vacuum lines that are back here on. I already did the one underneath here. Alright, so those are on. Alright, so we have the water line that we have to put on right down here. The water line down here between there and there, and we can hook these up. That's the idle air controller right there, and this is the TPS controller, which goes right there. So we're getting there. We are getting there, slowly but surely. So, on this hose down here, so that I could get to the actual tightener, I flipped it around so that I could get to it from this side. Alright? So, there's that. And this is much easier. So, I'm gonna mount this back up, get that squared away. So I'm mounting this back up. This one down here was 13 millimeter. These two nuts over here are 9/16. I mounted the throttle connections. I got them all squared away right now. The alternator, the air pump, various vacuum tubes, like this vacuum tube goes to underneath here to the throttle body. This one connects right down there. And this one goes from the top of the driver's valve cover and plugs in right there at the top of that. Alright, so we're back today working on this, and we're going to be going over a few things. So we have the passenger side valve cover back on, the air line that goes underneath and connects is held down by the valve cover bolts. We have the injector harness for the passenger side tied down. We have the heater hose back connected back to the bottom of the throttle body. We have the throttle body hose back in. We have these lines. These lines run the correct way. This one's ready to go into the mass airflow sensor. We have this open because we're going to probably need it for tuning. I don't have this tube right here connected. I will be doing it. I might want to look for a replacement before I put on the old ratty one. And now I'm going to jump over here and take care of this valve cover and all of its items on that side. I have to take this bracket off again in order to get the valve cover on because it just comes over too much. So we'll be getting to that right now. All right, we're ready to start this again. All right, now for the alternator. Now it's that. Hi and welcome back. Thank you for watching the video number 4 of the engine reassembly. It's the final video of the engine reassembly of the 1985 Chevy Corvette. If you liked it, smash that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to be notified of videos when we post them again, or post new videos, please click on that notification icon. And I want to thank you for following along in this. And things that are coming up. One is going to be a test drive of the Corvette, making sure that it actually continues to run really well and kind of give it a workout, we'll say. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you again.